Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to download and install iOS 19 or 26 beta after WWDC 2025 update. The first thing I want to do right now is going to be checking what kind of iOS software you're running. So go to settings right there, all the way back on the landing page of settings. So in here, select general. Once you're in general, select software update. You just want to make sure that you still doesn't have iOS 26 beta because sometimes it updates automatically. Next up, to prepare for the update, clear some storage on your device. For example, some iPhone storage. Make sure you delete some unwanted space right there. I think the recommendation is 8 to 10 gig of storage for the update. So next up, join the Apple Developer Program by opening up your browser or Safari and typing up right there, Apple Developer. Let me just type in Developer Program right there, opening it up right here. Just make sure you're signed into your Apple ID for this one. Let me just go right there, go back, go right here again, and this is going to be a free code to customers. Make sure you click on the two lines on the upper right corner, click on account, and sign in. In here, you can install the iPhone 26 or iOS 26 beta from this software, and that should do it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.